Hi gang, we're going to do 1.9 number 79. So what it's asking you to do is to take the composite of the inverses when x is 1. So for starters, let's find the inverses because you need to take the composite of them. Alright, let's start with f. Alright, so I'll go through the process with you on how to find an inverse. So I first replace f with y. Then I swap x and y. Okay, and now I have to solve for y. So I'm going to move the 3 over. Now I'm going to multiply by 8. And now I'm going to label this as the inverse of f. Alright, so we got f inverse. Now we're going to do the same thing for g. So here's g. I'm going to temporarily replace g with y. I'm going to swap x and y. I'm going to isolate y, which means I need to take the cube root. I'm going to now label it as g inverse. Okay, so now those are the inverses that we're going to use when we do this problem up here. I sort of wonder, let me just pass it onto another sheet because I don't want to squeeze it too much. I'm fix the focus if it goes out on me. Okay, so f minus 1 composite g inverse of 1. Alright. Okay, so written out of this notation, it looks like this. Now there's two ways to do this, so just pick what you like best. Some students take the composite first. Some students take the composite first and then they plug in the 1 for x. Some students plug the 1 into g inverse and then the output of that they put into f inverse. It's just up to you, your preference, okay? I'm probably going to do it the second way I said it. So I'm going to take g inverse and plug in a 1. So g inverse again is the cube root of x. So g inverse of 1 means I'm letting x be 1, and that's going to output a 1. So g inverse of 1 is 1, and now I take the 1 and I plug it into the f inverse function. And if you recall, f inverse is 8 times x plus 3. So I'm going to plug a 1 in there. So you're getting 8 times 4 or 32. Okay gang, so that's the final answer. And again, remember you could have taken the composite first of f inverse and g inverse. I just did it plugging in the x values as I went along. Because this out here is telling you that you want to let x be 1 in this case. Alright gang, catch you in another video. Bye bye.